Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Corsair Vengeance a7500 gaming PC, and why you should choose, because it consists of the following features. Step up your game with the Corsair Vengeance a7500 series gaming PC, powered by an AMD Ryzen 9000 series CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics, and Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory. Built into the 3500XA RGB mid-tower case, it offers stunning views of your PC's internals through wraparound tempered glass panels, along with impressive cooling performance from side, rear, and roof fans. The Vengeance a7500 series is cooled by an H60X RGB Elite Liquid CPU cooler and 6RS120A RGB fans with AirGuide technology for concentrated airflow. Equipped with a high-speed M.2 NVMe SSD and easily upgradable, thanks to a standard ATX form factor. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.